folks. So I decided when I was walking through here to take a look. Now, in fact, I'm lying to myself. I actually didn't take a look. I happened to walk by here, and I was thinking to myself recently, I wonder if they've done anything yet with this area. Now, this area was where the kids' place was at one point years back when it was kids-friendly resorts, before COVID, I think. But this area was just basically sand or whatever. It looks like there's some rocks in here as well. It's not the prettiest looking of sand. This is, like I said, it was like a kid's house. What did they do with this? I said to myself, thinking a couple days back. I come by here yesterday, in fact, as of this video. It is now Wednesday, the 11th or 12th, whatever date it is, I don't know. Let's see, I left the 4th. Yeah, the 11th. Anyway, they put up a, what? More than anything. What is it? A volleyball net. I have not seen anybody. It's low season, so I haven't seen anybody use this. What the heck was that? I just heard a beeping sound. Sorry, guys. I just hear a beeping. I think it's coming from near the pool here, or this little area here. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this. It was actually converted, at least this little section here where the sand is, into a volleyball net playing area. So just wanted to show you that. I know it's very simple, but I wanted to show you that they did convert at least a portion of this. I don't know what's being done with the building itself yet, but at least they're using something here for people that want to play volleyball. Now, again, I don't know where the actual volleyballs are or whatever, but this is what they've converted this little section for, or to. So there you go. Something a little bit different.